Hi, warm welcome to you. We are going through trigonometric ratios of compound angles, and in the last video we have find out the formula for cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus of sin a sin b. Now let's leverage this formula and try to find out remaining all trigonometric ratios, either the addition or subtraction. What I mean by that is, we'll try to find out what is sine of a plus b, what is tan of a plus b, what is cot of a plus b. Similarly, what is cos a minus b, what is sin a minus b, what is tan a minus b, what is cot a minus b. First we'll try to find out what is cos of a minus b. So a minus b is nothing but a plus minus b. So what I will do, I will write this as, I am trying to find out what is cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a plus minus b. Now you can see here, I want cos of a minus b. What I have done, I have kept it as a plus of minus b, so that instead of b I will be having minus b here. Instead of b I will be having minus b here. So what will be the formula? Cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b, cos a as it is. Instead of cos b I will have cos of minus b minus sin of a into sin of, instead of b I will be having minus b. Correct. So if I simplify this, this becomes cos a, cos of minus theta is cos theta. We know that, right? Okay. So this becomes cos a cos b minus sin a sin of minus b. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus into minus becomes plus. So this becomes cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Right. Now we have found cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Now let us try to find out what is sin a plus b. Okay, we are interested now in sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b. I know only cos. I don't know any formula for sin. I want to find it now. So I will try to convert sin into in terms of cos so that I can apply one of these formulas. Okay. Now let us see what I can write. Let us say this is nothing but equal to theta. Suppose this is nothing but in the form of sin theta. Now we know that sin theta is nothing but equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Right? We know that sin theta is nothing but equal to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So I can write sin of a plus b as cos of pi by 2 minus of a plus b. Now I will expand this and write it as cos of pi by 2 minus a pi by 2 minus a minus b. I hope you are okay with this. Sin theta we have written as cos pi by 2 minus theta, and this I can simplify it as pi by 2 expand it, pi by 2 minus a minus b. So this is nothing but my a now, and this is b, and this is in the form of second formula. Now what is the a now? A equal to pi by 2 minus a and b is equal to b. If cos of a minus b, what is the formula? The formula is cos a cos b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So I will write cos of pi by 2 minus a. After that I will have cos of b, that is nothing but cos of b, plus sine of a is nothing but equal to pi by 2 minus a, cos sine a sine b. Now we know that cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sine theta, just we know that. So this becomes sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Now we have done with cos sine of a plus b, right? What we have done to find out sine of a plus b? We know only the formula in terms of cos. So we have converted sine into cos. We have made, let us say, a plus b equal to theta. Now we have written sine theta equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta, which is correct. We know that because we know that theta and pi by 2 minus theta are complementary angles in a right angle triangle. Okay. So cos of pi by 2 minus a plus b, that I have expanded and written it as pi by 2 minus a minus b. Now this is in the form of cos of a minus b, which is nothing but this formula. And what is the formula for that cos of a minus b? Is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is nothing but cos of pi by 2 minus a cos b plus sin of pi by 2 minus a sin b. Now we have known what is sin of a plus b. Now in the similar lines we can find out what is sin of a minus b, like we did earlier. Sin of a minus b is sin of a minus b is equal to sin of a plus minus b. This is nothing but equal to, this is my a and this is my b. You know the formula here itself. So this is nothing but sin of a cos of minus b plus cos of a sin of minus b. Now let us see what this becomes. Sin of a as it is, cos of minus b is cos b, then cos a is cos a, sin of minus b is minus sin b, because we know cos of minus theta is cos theta and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this becomes sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now that is how we have done sin a plus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Now let us also try to do tan a plus b and cot a plus b. Okay, right. Now you know what is sin a plus b, you know what is cos a plus b. You want to find out tan a plus b. Let's do that. How will we do tan a plus b? Tan of a plus b is equal to sin of a plus b divided by cos of a plus b. We know that sin of a plus b is nothing but equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos of a plus b is nothing but equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we know cos of a plus b formula, that is nothing but cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So I will write here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now if you divide this whole thing with cos a cos b, divide this whole expression, both denominator and numerator, with cos a cos b, you will find out that this is nothing but equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan of a plus b equal to sine of a plus b by cos of a plus b, that is nothing but equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If you divide both numerator and denominator by cos a cos b, you will see that it's nothing but equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now let us see what is tan of a minus b. Want to find out what is tan of a minus b. Tan of a plus b first we will do, then a plus b we have done just now, that is nothing but tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a. Now again tan of a minus b, I know it is nothing but tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So I can write sin of a minus b divided by cos of a minus b. We know sin of a minus b is nothing but equal to sin a cos b. We have done that just now, few minutes back. I hope you remember that. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now we want in terms of tan, so I will divide by cos a cos b. If I divide whole thing by cos a cos b, dividing by cos a cos b will give me tan a minus tan b. What happens if I divide by cos a cos b? Cos b cancels out, sin a by cos a is tan a. Similarly here cos a cancels, sin b by cos b is tan b divided by cos a cos b by cos a cos b is 1 plus sin a sin b by cos a cos b, that is nothing but equal to 1 plus tan a tan b. Now can you try out for cot of a plus b? Can you pause the video and try out for what is cos of a plus b? Cot of a plus b, sorry. When you do cot of a plus b, try that you will have the terms in cot only. Like we see the relation of tan a minus b, the tan a minus b is nothing but tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. That means in terms of tan. Now can you try for cot of a plus b? Okay. I am doing it for a plus b. You can try a minus b otherwise. That's also is fine. So cot of a plus b is nothing but cos of a plus b divided by sin of a plus b. Now we know cos of a plus b formula. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b divided by sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now tell me by which term I have to divide both numerator and denominator so that I can see this expression converted into this thing converted into cots. I want to have cot. Cot means cos is there, so I have to divide with what? I have to divide with sin a sin b, right? If I divide with sin a sin b, I will be getting cos by sin is cot, so I will get cot a cot b. I am dividing by dividing by sin a sin b. Sin a sin b, if I divide, this becomes cot a cot b minus sin a sin b by sin a sin b is 1. Sin a cos b by sin a sin b. Sin a sin a cancels out. Cos b by sin b is cot b. Plus, similarly, cos a sin b by sin a sin b. Sin b cancels. You will have cot a. So this is nothing but equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Okay, right. Now this is how you can find out the formulas for all sin, cos, tan and cot. Now one thing, when we started this, we said we want to find out the values of 75 degrees, right? Sin 75, we don't know what is the value. Now since we know the formula, can we go ahead and Just to do that? Okay, right. Sine 75. Now I know the formula. I can say that sine 75 is sine 45 plus 30. And this is in the form of sine of a plus b. The formula is sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos of sine. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So here a is 45, so I will write sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. Now what is the meaning of sine 40? What is the value of sine 45? 1 by root 2 or radical 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now I can take 2 root 2 as LCM, becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now I have found what is sine 75. Now can you find out what is cos 15? Can you find out what is cos 15 and check whether you are getting the same value? I know that you know that sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, but what I want you to do is, instead of directly applying it, go for cos of 45 minus 30 and substitute the values and check whether you are getting the same thing, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 or not. In the next video, we will apply the concept whatever we have learned. We are learning about compound angles. We have learned the formulas for cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, cot a plus b, and cot a minus b, which you will be doing for me. So once we know these formulas, now let us try to apply these concepts and solve simple problems in the next video. So see you in the next video where we'll be solving some problems. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.